Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen. We are in week 35 of the 2016 52-week Eating Healthy Challenge. Hard to believe that we are more than halfway through the year, and hard to believe that we are approaching the end of the year and the beginning of 2017. We do hope that you have enjoyed all of the recipes, the menus, and YouTube videos thus far. This week we have a lot of new and exciting recipes for you as well. The first one that we're going to get started with today is going to be our protein snack, and this is actually going to be a blueberry smoothie. So let's get started. We have our blender here, and as you can see, we've got some of the ingredients already laid out. So what I like to do is I actually like to make these ahead of time and put them in mason jars. This is actually a pint mason jar, in which then I'm going to put the cap on and I'm going to put this in the freezer for the week. So in the morning, I'm going to get this out of the freezer. Say hello to Barry. Thanks, Barry. I'm going to get this out of the freezer and put it in my lunchbox, so that way it helps as a ice pack to keep everything cold. And by the time that I am going to drink this mid-morning or mid-afternoon, kind of in between that lunch dinner time, it's going to be thawed out enough to just kind of sip on. So let's go over the ingredients. So the first thing that we're going to start with is we're actually going to start with 2 cups of blueberries, and I'm going to use frozen blueberries. I'm going to add those to the blender. We're going to do 1 whole kiwi. So you can see here that I have the kiwi already chopped. I'm going to place that in there. We're going to add in a scoop of the No Whey protein powder. So many of you may be familiar with the No Whey protein powder. This is golden pea protein powder. So if you have seen us on Carolina Kitchen or attended any of our cooking classes, then you will know all about this. All right. We're then going to add 1 cup of coconut water to this. So we're going to get some coconut water going here. Wonderful. And then we're also going to add then mint. So this is actually mint from my garden. So we're going to put in about 4 leaves here of mint. If you like mint as much as I do, I'm going to put in 5. And then we're going to add in ice. Now what I like to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and start blending this just a little bit. And what you may have to do is you may have to shake it a little. And if that's not quite enough of the coconut water, you can certainly add more coconut water, because we still have 2 cups of spinach to put in there as well. I'm going to add just a little bit more coconut water to this. Get this mixed up here. All right. And if that doesn't work, then we're going to get a spatula. We're going to kind of mix things around here just a little bit. Get everything mixed up. Kind of the tricks of the trade. It always happens, of course, when you're filming. That's okay. It's going to happen. If it happens in my kitchen, it's going to happen in yours. All right. We're going to add a little bit of spinach at a time here. And let's see what happens. All right. We're just going to continue mixing here. Add a little bit more spinach. So we're going to add 2 cups of spinach. So you're really going to get your fruits and vegetables in this smoothie. All right. Let's see. Let's see what happens. That was the trick. Okay, so we've got a nice thick smoothie here. Move some things out of the way so you can see here. Look at that color, isn't that beautiful? And we're just going to pour some in this jar. Being careful not to make a mess here. And there you have it. That is your blueberry protein smoothie for the week. Hope you enjoy it. Remember, if you are making these recipes, we would love to hear from you. We would love to see the pictures of how it turned out for you. Make sure to like us on Facebook, Foothills Wellness Center on Fire Healing. Again, thanks for watching. Happy and healthy eating.